If you are not receiving Instagram call notifications on Android, here's how to turn them on. First, open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap the three lines menu in the top right corner and select settings and privacy. Next, go to notifications and tap calls. Under the video chat section, make sure it's set to from everyone or from people you follow, depending on your preference. Now check your phone's notification settings. Go to settings, apps, app management. Find the Instagram app from the list and tap on it, then notifications. Then ensure that call notifications are turned on. If you still don't receive any call notifications, try disabling Do Not Disturb mode by going to settings, scroll down little, sound and vibration, Do Not Disturb, and turn it off. Another fix is clearing Instagram's cache. Go to settings, apps, app management. Find Instagram app from the list and tap on it, storage. Then tap clear cache to remove any temporary issues. Finally, make sure your Instagram app is updated by checking for updates in Google Play Store. If none of these steps work, log out and log back in or reinstall Instagram to refresh all settings. That's it. Now your Instagram call notifications should be working. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.